AOKMAN, a leader in the manufacturing of special industrial gear units and standard gear motor. The factory was founded in 1982. 800,000 square meters of surface. Production made of more than 2,000 experienced workers. Over 30 years of experience in gearbox manufacturing. AOKMAN always improved gearing technologies with the spirit of craftsmen. Superior research and development design capabilities have become the primary productive force of AOKMAN's rapid development. R&D concept. Inspiration to provide the perfect drive solution for our customers is the foundation behind research and development. AOKMAN has a professional gear and reducer technology research and development team and reached the international advanced level in the technology of gear, reducer, and power transmission elements. Mechanical machining. Cutting-edge production technology is the essential building block to achieve high-performance geared products in order to the AOKMAN's customers are asking for. The high-tech equipment and specialized labor guarantees reliability, quality, and uniformity of heat treatment processes. The industrial complex has been steadily upgraded with leading-edge machinery which ensures quality according to international normal and stands. ISO, DIN, and AGMA, and precision in producing gears with quality grade 6, ISO 1328. AOKMAN imported equipment from Germany, such as the CNC gear teeth grinders and milling cutters. The Niles and Hoffler gear controller allows for ideal precision in gear production. AOKMAN factory offers the most efficient high-precision production lines, flexible and specialized assembly coating lines, and the digital management system. Protect the environment by using natural resources wisely and seeking benefits to society and the environment. Quality control. At AOKMAN, we know quality is very important to our customer, and we instill that responsibility in every employee. Stringent quality control is carried out at each production stage, from arrival of the raw materials to delivery of the tested, approved products. Any release of the quality control is performed by the precision measuring tools and modern measuring equipment. Warehouse. Warehouse information management is the key to improve efficiency and fast delivery. Parts warehouse implemented barcode management, and the inventory accuracy reached over 90%. After the implementation of AOKMAN Factory Information Platform, the production capacity increased by more than 50%. Market application. AOKMAN product line provides the user with a drive solution for different market segments, such as cement drive, sugar mill, mining, pulp and paper, metallurgical, textile, packaging, agriculture, construction, food industry, automation, palm oil, and various other types of machines. Customer service. The product's quality of AOKMAN allies to the security and efficiency of its management, who makes it a brand synonymous with credibility with its suppliers and customers. We are committed to winning a partner rather than a simple supplier. Make a good deal? Always consult AOKMAN professionals. We assure you of the utmost reliability and security for both products and services. We are AOKMAN, the total drive solution provider. AOKMAN, a leader in the manufacturing of special industrial gear units and standard gear motor. The factory was founded in 1982. 800,000 square meters of surface. Production made of more than 2,000 experienced workers. Over 30 years of experience in gearbox manufacturing. AOKMAN always improved gearing technologies with the spirit of craftsmen. Superior research and development design capabilities have become the primary productive force of AOKMAN's rapid development. R&D concept.
Hello everyone, this is Casey from AOKMAN channel. Welcome to AOKMAN live show today. This is my colleague Kurt.
Hi everyone, this is Kurt and we are AOKMAN here once again. Welcome to our live show today. And today I'm standing here with my colleague Cassie. And so before we start, I think many audiences already watch our videos, the company introduction video. So, so if you missed the video and you want to watch them again, we will show them again later, and you will see the recap later.
Yes, and if you missed that, don't worry, you can contact us or leave a message here. We will share you the video later.
Yeah, okay. So before we start today, let me ask you some questions, Cassie.
Please.
Okay. So how long have you been working here in AOKMAN? And do you still remember the first day situation? And could you share us more about the gearbox industry?
Yeah, sure. So many questions. Okay, I remember that day very clearly. I come to AOKMAN on September 26, 2016. Up to now is about 5 years. That day is very important for me because since that day, I started my transmission career and I have been in this industry for about over 5 years. But comparing with my college, I'm still a freshman because many of them have been working in AOKMAN for more than 10 years.
Wow, you are actually so humble. So
It's the truth.
I believe you have gained lots of experience and expertise in this gearbox field. So I think for the company, the most important thing is their product.
Yes.
So of course today our topic will be gearbox, and there are so many kinds of gearbox, like too many, like tons of them. So we are going to show the audience and our customers some of the most popular and the good sale ones.
Yes, we'll show you the full of the most popular items today.
Yeah, so here we are going to move to the first one here.
Yeah, for the warm gearbox first.
So this one here, we can see we call the RV series warm gearbox, and this one we can tell the design and the color is all looking good, and it's made of the aluminum alloy, so we can see all the details. So it's actually makes the housing very light, and this one has a really wide application in many industries, mainly for the light duty industries. Yeah, so
It's very popular item.
yeah.
Okay, next one we will show another popular item. You can see these gold color items. We call it helical gear motors. Actually there are 4 items: helical bevel, helical parallel, helical inline, and helical warm. They all made with the steel cast iron housing, different with the warm gearboxes. But they all look very beautiful because we make very precise precision on this outlook. And at the same time, why they are so popular? Because they provide very wide range ratios and torches, so they can meet a majority application in the market. I guess many of you start your business or enlarge your business may start from these items. It will help you. It will benefit your business. Okay, next one we will show you about the shaft-mounted gearboxes. Kurt, please.
Yeah, this one we call it the 80 series gearbox. Like Cassie said, this one is a shaft-mounted gearbox. We can tell the details and the design is like a round one. So this one has wide application in mining, quarry, and the conveyor belt related industry. So this one, AOKMAN, we here are the best supplier here. The reason why I think that because from the design and the quality and the production capacity and the from all the details, we can tell we are the best 80 series supplier here in China. So if you are looking for this kind of gearbox, AOKMAN will be your best choice.
Yes, actually we are the first one, a top one in China for the export volume.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, next one we'll show you the start item this year. This one we call high precise planetary gearboxes because it provides very precise backlash, so it can be useful on CNC machine, on the AGV truck, printing machines, and the machinery arms for robotic truck for the turning. So if you need the very precise control, you need to consider this one. And I think this one is very popular in this year and will be popular in next years. Okay, we have finished all standard popular items. I think many of you already have a brief idea about this. If you need more features, know how to identify this item, don't move, stay in the live show. My colleague later will show you more details.
Yeah.
Okay, Kurt, we have showed the standard item already.
Yes, so we AOKMAN here, this is the first part of the product, the standard item.
Yeah.
Standard items means we can produce them a lot at one time, but also we can satisfy other project we call the custom-made project because some of the audience or the other customers, they have a special request. So Cassie, do you have such experience or some project example?
Yeah, sure. Actually, customer items are another strength for AOKMAN because we have 300 people in R&D department. They can design your paperwork, your draft strategies into the reality. And we will show you several pictures. First one, you can see this one is the how to say this station gearboxes. This one is very large. It's about 3 floors high, so we cannot put it in the live show room today. But we will show you because this one is very big. We produced this one, spent about 10 months.
Yeah, this nuclear station
took
us 10 months to finish.
Yeah. Okay. Next one. You will see we have the planetary gearboxes. They are used on the sugar mill and heavy-duty applications like the cement, the mining. Okay, next one you'll see we'll show you special items. You can see this one is different like the standard items.
Yeah, the shape is very different from the standard item.
Yes, we provide a custom item, not only consider function, at the same time, we need to consider installation dimension requirement. So even though they look very special, because we need to make the cost down at the same time.
Yep. So we just finished the product part, and some of the audience and the customers, they may wondering like, how do you approve you are the best or one of the leading gearbox manufacturer in China? We are going to move to the next part, the investment, because we actually invest a lot of money on that.
Yes, for equipment.
Yeah.
I guess you mean equipment. Okay, next one.
Okay, so here is the first one. It's a Nausch, a machine from Germany.
Yeah, the grinding machine.
Yeah, it's a grinding machine. So it used to process the gear inside the wheel. So this one is our grinding machine.
Yeah, now it's a very famous brand in the market.
Yeah, let's go to the next picture. This one is also from Europe. It's one of the also like the top brand. This one is from Austria.
Yes.
And this one is used for the treating process.
Yeah.
The heat treating is very important for the gear. It will increase the hardness and also increase the lifetime of the gear.
Yeah, finally we'll save the customer money.
Yeah. Okay, let's move to the next one picture. So here is a real shot of our CNC workshop. So this one here is a place where we process our parts and accessories. So they just line up really well there. So
Yeah, so you see we use the all-process machines import from Europe, from US to make the process.
yeah, this one is actually from the USA. It's also one of the, I think it's top 5 brand.
Yeah.
So we invest lots of money on the equipment because that way we can make sure we always choose from the best supplier and also make sure our quality is good.
Yes, actually we have a brief introduction about our product, our equipment. I think many of you may be wondering how about AOKMAN quality control. This is very important for our customers, also it's important for us. Actually, we have the ERP meetings before each project, each production move forward. We get the technical department, the production department, the QC department. Sometimes we invite our sales department will be invited to attend this meeting to make sure we understand the customer requirement at the same time to make the cost down. And another thing is from raw material to delivery, the finished item delivery, all process finished inside our factory. One thing is to make the production move more smoothly, at the same time to make quality control and make the quality stable.
Yeah, so Cassie just explained really well how the inside AOKMAN works, and he also explained how we make gearbox from the ideal thing into the reality.
Yes, I think another thing the customer may be wondering how fast our item can be finished.
Yeah, so next we are going to show the customer and audience a video about our warehouse.
Yes, we have so many spare parts inside the warehouse to make sure the delivery can be made very soon.
Yeah.
Okay, let's share the video here.
AOKMAN spare parts are available. It not only can be shorten the delivery time, but also can meet customers' bulk order. Spare parts warehouse includes bulk parts storage, housing part storage, gear storage, and so on. The spare parts warehouse adopts the automated management system and AGV delivery method to ensure the production will be finished on time. AOKMAN QC will check each part before storage to increase the whole production process efficiency and ensure the gearbox quality.
AOKMAN.
Okay, everyone, we have almost finished our live show. Don't move. Next part is very important part because you can see we have prepared very beautiful boxes here. It's for sample, it's for gift. From 1982, we AOKMAN have set up over 40 years. During this history, we received so many support from customers. We want to share you our things. So we prepared the gift here. If you want to test our items, we prepared 10 free samples in live show. So you can text us a message or contact our AOKMAN sales to leave a message. We will send you the samples after this live show. Okay, thank you. And we, as you know, we have introduced the most popular items here, the four series. Actually, there are more features, and if you want to know how AOKMAN will benefit your business, how AOKMAN will support you on your business, don't move. They will introduce more introduction about AOKMAN and give you more useful information. Okay, welcome my colleague, Luke and Andy, to introduce the shaft-mounted gearboxes.
Yes, thanks a lot, Cassie's company introduction. And now we will introduce for you the ATA shaft-mounted gearbox.
Yes, many thanks to our colleague Mr. Kurt and Cassie to introduce our AOKMAN company. Next, welcome to our live showroom. I'm
Yes.
Luke.
I'm Andy.
Okay.
Welcome to see our lab showroom about the gearbox.
Okay, today we introduce our ATA series self-mounted gear reducer.
Yes, as you can see, the shaft-mounted gearbox is same ratio and size as Bonfiglioli TA series. Also, it is very popular in the market. You can see lots of shaft-mounted gearbox will use the conveyor belt, stone crusher, and so on. Yeah.
Yes, about the ATA gear reducer, have large cruising capacity,
Yeah.
smooth transmission, and lightweight and low
Yes.
injury consumption. Okay, next I want to offer a video for introduce our ATA gearbox. Okay, next we'll see your video.
Okay, let us see the video. This is a gearbox in our factory. And this is a semi-finished product. And this is a packaging. This is a QC. And this is a memory. This is our factory equipment, and our colleague is packing them and test them. This is the application in mining.
Okay, many thanks for your time. We should see our ATA gearbox. So, if you have any question and details, please send to us. Our service team will reply you as soon as possible.
Yes, if you are interested in our gearbox, you can send the message to our produce
Yes.
department team. You will get the professional solutions at once. Okay, you can see this is our shaft-mounted gearbox, and this is input shaft. Input shaft will connect the motor by
Yes.
pulley belt.
Yes, input is connect with the motor.
Yeah, exactly. While it will connect with motor through the pulley belt.
Yes, pulley belt.
And the output part is a hollow shaft with a K. It will connect the electric drum
Yes.
and then connect the working machine.
Yes, yes.
Okay, look, just now we talk about the input and output, and just now we talk about the input shaft and output hollow hole. And now I have one question about the
Yes.
output both sides.
Yes. Next, I wanted to ask a question about our ATA gearbox output both sides.
Yeah.
Yes. About our output both sides, we have large from 35.
Yeah.
35 from 35 to 135.
Yes, the smallest bore size is 35 millimeter, and we also have 40.
Yeah, 40,
Yeah.
50, 70, and
Yeah.
18, and 100, and 125 like this.
Yeah.
We can offer this 35, 40, 45, 60, 70, 18, 17,
Wow.
100, 125, and 135.
Yeah.
But 50, 70, and 60, and 18 is the most popular and welcomed in their market. I think this both sides can be used in your market.
Yes, please remember the smallest bore size is 30 millimeter, and the biggest bore size is 135 millimeter.
Yes, we just talk about our output both sides. Next, I wanted to ask a question, Andy. Which ratio can be used in their market about our ATA gearbox? Which ratio?
That's a good question. Thanks for your question, Luke. Because we also have some clients also ask that about the ratio.
Yes.
Okay, let us talk about the ratio. Generally, for the shaft-mounted gearbox, we have single stage and double stage.
Oh,
Yeah.
but our ATA gearbox, there are single stage and double stage.
Yeah, exactly.
Which one is a single stage?
5 and 7.
Oh.
Smaller ratio for single stage.
Oh, single stage is 5 and 7.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, I get.
And for the double stage, we have 10.
10,
Yeah, 12.5.
10.5,
Yeah, 15.
15,
20.
20,
Yeah, 25.
25,
And 31.
and 31. Oh, this is the double stage. There are lots of.
Yeah, well, lots of ratio of the double stage. While the most popular is 10, 15, and 20.
Oh, I get. For a double stage, 5 and 7 and 20 and
Yeah.
25 is the most popular and welcomed in the market.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so my friends, if you have any question, you can contact us. I will reply you as soon as possible. We have a professional service team reply you and give you the best answer to you.
Okay. Also, you can leave message to us, and if we saw your message, we also will reply you directly. Well, it is better to send our customer service department because they are very, very professional.
You are very professional. So we just talk about our output boxes and ratio.
Yeah.
Next, I want to introduce our ATA gearbox application.
Wow,
Yes,
okay.
for ATA gearbox application is widely used in the mining.
Yeah, mining industry.
Yes, mining, quarrying.
Quarry
Yes,
industry.
better conveyor
Belt conveyor.
and roller,
Roller.
crusher.
Crusher.
Yes,
Yeah.
if you have business like this, our ATA gearbox can be used in this market. I think
Yeah.
it can be introduced your business and can help you get more and more money.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, maybe you have a video about
Yes,
it.
yes, you are right. So next, I want to see a video again to see our ATA gearbox application. This the video is can be meet your any question and can help your business. Okay, follow me to see the video.
Okay.
Okay, this is our ATA gearbox warehouse. And this ATA gearbox we use the better conveyor.
Belt conveyor.
Yes, like this.
Yeah, great.
And this is the mining factory and quarry.
Yeah. So great.
Yes.
This is so great.
Okay, this is our AOKMAN ATA gearbox. We use our customers factory. Okay, many thanks to see this video. If you have any question and more details, please tell me. I
Yeah.
will reply you as soon as possible. And follow us and follow AOKMAN in the future. If you have any question, we can help you.
Yeah, just now we can see the video is from our clients' feedback. Because they are in, if you are in belt conveyor, stone crusher,
Stone crusher,
yeah, mining industry,
mining, yes.
ATA shaft mounted gearbox is your best choice.
Yes, the ATA gearbox is most popular and welcome in this business, like this mining, quarrying, stone crusher, quarry,
Yes.
and better conveyor and roller like this.
Yeah, except ATA shaft mounted gearbox, we also have helical gearbox, helical bevel, and other industrial gearbox also will used in these plants. Well, today we are mainly introduce for you the ATA shaft mounted gearbox. ATA shaft mounted gearbox generally it will use in high shock loads, dirt, and corrosive environment. So the ATA shaft mounted gearbox with good sealing and dust-proof function. That's very absolute reliability and low maintenance cost.
Yes, if you have any question, you can tell me. And in our live showroom, you can get a free sample to test
Wow,
our
free
quality.
sample.
Yes, free sample is available in our live showroom. So don't worry, send your any question like this. You can send out in your email and mobile phone number to us. I will reply you, and you can get a free sample to test our ATA gearbox quality.
Yeah, please remember, free sample is available. So please don't hesitate to contact us and share your requirements. Okay, look, I see the gearbox with different color, and could you please?
Yes,
Yeah.
I wanted to introduce our ATA gearbox color list. In our new showroom, you can to see our ATA gearbox. There are two colors, blue and green.
Blue and green.
Yes,
Yeah.
you can see this is our blue color and this is green color. This color are popular and welcome in the market because our customers very like this color. I think your customers very like this color. If you have any question for color, I will help you to customers.
Okay, green and blue and green color is most popular in our market. So if you are interested in our shaft-mounted gearbox, please leave message to our customer service department and also please send your requirement. We will reply you at once. Okay, just now we talk about the color, the ratio, the board size, and so on. Not only the gearbox is good, our packaging also is
Yes, the packaging design is very, very amazing in the market. So next, Andy will show some picture to introduce our ATA gearbox packaging design.
Okay, you can see these pictures. This picture is for our small model.
Yes.
There will be a white part. You can see that is a soft material. We will cover the shaft-mounted gearbox. It will protect the gearbox during transportation.
Yes.
And okay, next please. And next, you can see that is very, very beautiful packaging. That is customized design for our distributors.
Yes.
And you can see one palette. Through these pictures, we can see one palette with 12 pieces, for smaller packaging.
Yes.
Yeah.
For a smaller motorcycle such as 40, 45, 50,
Yeah.
and 55 like this, we can have this package.
Exactly. If also you can see one palette maybe have 12 pieces, also maybe 24 pieces. It depends on the gear size.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, next picture to see.
Okay, you can see.
This,
You know.
yes. I think you ask one question. This picture is for a large motorcycle.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes,
You understand me.
Yes, the big motorcycles such as 70, 18, 100, and 125, and 135, we have this packaging design.
Yeah, for the bigger model size like this, we will pack it separately. Also, the wooden packing is thicker, more thicker.
The motorcycle.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. We can see the bottom with wooden feet.
The wooden feet is easy to delivery.
Yeah, exactly. It is a very humanized design because if we with the wooden feet, it
Yes.
will make the transport, make the worker work easier.
Yes.
Okay, we check the next picture, please. And you can see in the right part, we can see the batch order for shaft-mounted gearbox, and that is green color.
Yes, green color.
And in the left, you can see some gearbox have finished packaging.
Yes.
Yeah, it's very beautiful design. Okay, we can see next. Next is final packaging. after finished packaging, the gearbox is waiting to ship to our
ship
clients.
to our customers.
Yeah, exactly. Generally, it will be one container.
Yes,
Okay,
one container.
next picture, you can see it. One container into our client's warehouse, our client's factory.
For one container gearbox, there are lots of about 200 and 220.
One container generally it will have 200 or 220 pieces gearbox.
Yes.
Okay, because shaft-mounted gearbox is very popular in our market, so our clients one container or 5 containers, that is very, very common.
Yes, because this ATA gearbox is popular in their market. So if you order any question, we can offer this packaging. So next, I want to see a packaging video to see you.
Okay, in order to share you more details, you can see the video.
Yes, this is the green color. This is the one container gearbox finished and ready to ship our customer.
Yeah, this is QC checking.
Yes.
Quality checking. Our colleague will check again and again before packaging. We must ensure our gearbox is quality is not only quality is good, appearance also good. This is the finished packaging.
And this is making a shooting mask.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes. So if you have all our ATA gearbox, we make sure our quality is the best and best.
Yes, just now you saw the video is very short. Maybe in the left showroom you can only see the short video. If you want to get this video, you can contact with our customer department. You can receive this video. We can send you. You can check by your own phone.
Yes, so we have lots of picture and video for our ATA gearbox, such as boxing and packaging and quality and finished gearbox. So if you get more details for this ATA gearbox, you send your email and mobile phone number. I will send this picture and video to you as soon as possible. You can link this video and picture to show your customers. I think your customers see this video and picture will like our AOKMAN and will like our ATA gearbox.
Yeah, because AOKMAN shaft-mounted gearbox is professional, and so if you want to know more details, please contact our service department at once. Please remember, free sample also available.
Yes, free sample is available in our living room. You can get a free sample to taste our quality, to see our color, and to check the import and both sides.
Yeah, we have helped a lot of clients enlarge their market.
Yes.
When maybe some clients that is first time to use our shaft-mounted gearbox. After they use our gearbox, they will become our regular clients. Some clients we have cooperate 15 years.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, we just talk about our ATA gearbox color, import both and outer both and packaging. Next, I want to see you some picture to introduce our customers.
Feedback.
Yes. Okay. Andy, I ask you a question again.
Okay, please.
Do you know Riyadh?
Yeah, Riyadh, that is a very beautiful city.
Yes.
It is the capital of Saudi Arabia.
Yes, Riyadh really is a very beautiful and clean city.
You visit there?
Yes, you are right. I've been to Riyadh 10 days.
10 days.
Yes,
wow,
10 days.
So
Riyadh, we visit lots of customers' factory and company.
Yeah.
In this factory and company, we have a wonderful meeting for in the future competition. Okay, about her ATA gearbox is very used in their market.
Wow.
So our customers very like this gearbox.
Okay, come on. I want to see the pictures.
Yes, next I show some picture to see we have
Okay. Yeah.
in the first picture you can see, but you don't find me because because I take this picture, but you can find my colleague Mr. Colin.
Very handsome guys.
Yes, and other three customers we have take the picture in their shop. Yes, in the shop you can find our gearbox small model size. Yes.
Yes. This is a small model size. Wow, the packaging is old.
Yes, you are right. In the picture, the model size, the packaging is old design. Next, I will show our new packaging design. Okay.
Okay. We can see the new design pictures, please. Yeah.
Okay. Yes, you are right. Just Andy show some picture the packaging.
Yeah.
So if this is our new packaging design, if you
Very
order
beautiful.
our gearbox, I will send this packaging.
Very beautiful. Yes, just now we also saw these pictures. One pallet maybe 12, maybe 24. It depends on the gearbox size. And also, if you order our gearbox now, you also will get this packaging. Very beautiful.
Yes.
Yeah.
If you like this packaging, you can get a free sample to taste. And I think this packaging can meet your and your customers' request.
Yeah, I believe free sample first. We offer you the free sample. After that, you will contact us directly because after you use it, you want to order one container.
Yes, I think you one container and two container because one container and two container is common.
Yeah.
Okay, next picture I will show. In this picture you can find me and my colleague and other four customers. Andy, you can see their business in this picture.
Yes, when I saw this picture, maybe you like Andy. Very happy to see this picture because look, you can see now. Look, is taller than Andy. Well, in these pictures, look like this, so cute. Yeah.
Because this customers is very
So cute.
is so
Taller.
taller. Yes. So in this picture you can find their business. Their business. There are Betacon Viewer, Morning, Quarry. Yes. So this business is Betacon Viewer, Quarry, and Morning. So they all order one container gearbox with us.
Yeah.
So I think our ATA gearbox can help your business like this. Betacon Viewer, Morning, Quarry, Crusher, and Roller. So if you order this ATA gearbox, I think the ATA gearbox be used in your market can help your business to be number one in your market.
Yeah, exactly. Yes. For our other clients, they only 1 month, they will order 2 or 3 containers. That is very common because for ATA shaft mounted gearbox, not for AOKMAN, that is a hot seal product. After our clients receive the gearbox, also that is for their hot seal products. So
Yes.
they sell with a short time, sell a lot. So that's why we say we can help you enlarge your market. So if you are interested in our gearbox, please contact us. Free sample is available.
Yes, so please do remember to follow us and follow AOKMAN. Send your any question and inquiry to us. Our service team will reply you as soon as possible. Send your email and send your mobile phone number to us. I can send more details for you, such as picture, video, and free sample.
Yes, exactly. After how many clients you visit? Maybe there are another clients you visit.
Okay, in the picture you can find our Mr. Corey and other 2 people. We just finished a wonderful meeting in their office. You can this is the office.
Yeah, the clients through this picture, our clients is very happy.
Yes, because we just finished the meeting and we come back China next month. The customers order one container.
Wow.
Yes, one container gearbox with us. So every month this customer order one container, two container, and three containers in the future. I think.
Yeah,
So,
you're a big
so
customer.
yes. So when I see this picture, I'm feel very happy.
Yeah, I believe not look very happy. Clients also very happy because AOKMAN help them enlarge their market, also help them earn more money.
Yes, because our customers very happy because we help their business better and better, and our ATA gearbox can help their business.
Yeah, look, maybe you also, because I saw this picture, the picture is small. In the customer's bag, there have a gift, maybe.
Yes, you,
Yeah.
you are right. I have a meeting when I come back China with a gift to them. The gift
yeah.
the gift because in China, Ruyi. Do you know Ruyi?
Ruyi. Right?
Yes.
Wow, that is a good meaning.
Yes.
It can bring the lucky, happiness, and also we send our clients Rui because we want him business better and better without AOKMAN's help.
Yes, we send this gift to them, and I think our ATA gearbox can help. I think our Chinese gift help their business.
Yeah. Do you want to get this Rui? If yes, please contact with us. Contact our customer service. You can arrive. You can receive the free sample gearbox and also the gift Rui.
Yes,
Yeah.
the Ruyi is Chinese, is from China and bring good luck and happiness.
Yeah. Very beautiful.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, next picture I will show the last picture.
Maybe when you see this picture, you are very happy.
Yes, this picture you can we have a wonderful dinner with our customers. Yeah, this dinner is very delicious.
Wow! I also want to taste the local food.
Yes, this is their local food. Yeah. So, welcome to visit our company and visit our factory and we visit our China.
Yeah.
So we want to have a dinner in our factory and to eat our Chinese food. I think Chinese food is also delicious.
Yes, exactly. So, do you want to receive the free sample, the gift, and taste the Chinese food? If yes, please contact our colleague in the customer service. You will receive a lot. You will be happy when you receive it.
So please remember to follow us and follow AOKMAN. Send your email and mobile phone number to us. I will send our more picture and video and to send free sample and a gift. Yes, so free sample and a gift is available in our new showroom.
Okay. Look, just now I see some clients leave message. They ask us, what's this?
Oh, what's this?
For do sports?
Yes, this is our ATA gearbox spare parts.
Yeah.
We call this Tokyo arm.
Tokyo arm for
Yes.
installation.
Yes, but for this Tokyo arm is can be connected with better our ATA gearbox like this.
To fix the gearbox. Don't like the gearbox turn again and again. Yeah.
Yes.
Run again and again. It can fix the gearbox.
Yeah. Apart from the Tokyo arm, we have a backstop. You know backstop?
Yes. Here.
Yes, backstop inside of our ATA gearbox.
Okay, the backstop also for the spare parts because some clients only want the shaft-mounted gearbox running in one direction. For example, running left. If that, you can add the backstop. if you want to like the gearbox running in two direction, you can without the backstop.
Yes, we just Andy and me to talk about our ATA gearbox color, input procedure,
Yeah.
and output procedure,
Yeah.
and the packaging design, and customers meeting, and
Yeah.
Tokyo and spare
Spare
parts.
parts.
Next, the time is very
Short.
Yes, it's short. Next, I want to introduce our colleague, Mr. Leo and Miss Linda to introduce our
Warm.
yes, RV warm gearbox.
Okay, let us welcome them, Leo and Linda, handsome boy and girls.
Yes,
and beautiful girls. Yeah.
Yes, welcome to Linda and Leo to introduce our RV warm gearbox.
Okay, welcome them. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, thanks for my colleague Luke and Andy's explanation introduction of our ATA shaft-mounted gearbox. Hello everyone, this is Leo. Welcome to our channel. My company AOKMAN was set up in 1982. We focus on all kinds of gearbox and gear motors. This time I will help you get to know more of AOKMAN company and also our RV warm gearbox. Okay, now let's welcome my colleague Linda.
Hello everyone, this is Linda from AOKMAN and welcome to our living show. Just Leo said, AOKMAN has been founded 1982.
Yes.
This year is 2022. It has been, we have been founded for 40 years, yeah?
Yes, we already have a very long time history in this industry. Yeah. Hi Linda. Yeah, as I know, the RV warm gearbox is one of our most famous and popular products in the market. And then some of our customers reported that our RV series are the same as our manufacturer in the market. Then why AOKMAN sales continue to increase and become more and more popular?
Okay, actually, most of AOKMAN RV orders from the exciting customers. After they have the true order, they found the AOKMAN RV warm gearbox have the more high quality
Yes.
and excellent performance and have the longer life. And when they working more slightly. So when they compare with others, they found they cooperate with AOKMAN. They save the purchasing cost.
Yes, AOKMAN not only care about the quality, but also we can give your best support. That's why AOKMAN famous. And look, I see there are two types housing of AOKMAN RV series. What's the difference between them?
Yes, up to now, AOKMAN have two designs. You see, this is the traditional design. It's it's a square, yeah. The
Yes.
housing is square, and it has popular for many years and still popularity in many areas. And this the new type. It's a little curve on the housing. You can see it's a little curve, and it looks low profile, but it's still durable. If you have many RV warm gearbox in your market, I suggest you can choose this new type. Leo, which type do you like?
Yeah, for me, I most like this blue color and the traditional type. Yeah, you can see our clothes
Yeah.
is blue and also our logo is blue and the sky is also blue. I like blue color. Yeah.
Yeah, I also like this blue color, and but I like this new type. It looks more creative and
Yeah.
have the low profile. I think it looks more beautiful.
Okay, yeah, it means that we have different ideas, but it's okay. Yeah, everyone can have its opinions, and the appearance is an obvious difference. Except for this, I think that must there any other difference to make AOKMAN popular and famous in the market. So Linda, could you tell me some more details?
Okay, we have bought the same types for the compare from different aspects. Okay, next we will show some findings we found.
Yes, Yes. Look, there is a warm shaft in my hand. So, Linda, do you know what's the material of it?
Yes, as quality is very important to AOKMAN, so material is very important. AOKMAN standard warm shaft uses the low carbon alone steel. It have the high wear resistance after the carbonization, the heat treatment. So it will reduce the generator also and have the long quality and have the stable quality and more durable.
Yes, and I can see it looks finely processed and smooth. So, what's the special process AOKMAN implements during the production?
Yes, the second point, we use the high precision CNC grading machine to promote the accuracy, and we use the precision measuring instrument for the detection, so it can ensure the warm shafts have the high quality and the working efficiency.
Yes, AOKMAN has the most professional CNC machine and also the processing. This all ensure our quality and the accuracy. As I know, the accuracy is so important for our gearbox. And except for this, are there any other difference between AOKMAN warm shaft and other brands warm shaft?
Yes, the third point, you can see AOKMAN warm shaft is very clean. We even polish tooth top and tooth bottom, so it will reduce the generator when the working. And without this polish, it will keep the gentle during the working. With this different, AOKMAN warm shaft is have the longer sweat life and the stable quality. So that's one reason why AOKMAN is so popular in many years.
Yes, AOKMAN reducers are strictly controlled in every small details. That's why we are popular. And what's the unique process AOKMAN adds when producing?
Yes, the first point is we added the chamfer. We added the chamfer on the tooth top for the warm shaft. So it will reduce the generator during the working, and as it makes the tooth more smoothly. Without the chamfer, it will cause the confliction during the working, so it will reduce the warm shaft life, so and will affect the warm gear life. Okay, next we will show a video for you for the difference with AOKMAN warm shaft with others.
Other brand, yes.
Yes, okay. Okay, this is inside of the warm gearbox. It's bearing, warm shaft, and warm gear. This is AOKMAN warm shaft with others. And it's very clean.
Very clean.
Is this for the detection?
Okay, thank you, Linda, for showing us the AOKMAN RV series warm shaft. And my friends and my customers, welcome to AOKMAN live channel. I'm very happy to have you guys here. Please follow us, and our customer service will send you our catalog, our video, and our more details to let you know more about AOKMAN.
Yes, so don't hesitate to follow us, and this is free sample for you. You will be the lucky man, and after you have the test the sample, you will be find AOKMAN warm gearbox quality. AOKMAN will never let you down. Yes, and you know this T-shirt is also free.
Yes, if you please follow us, you will not only have chance to get our free sample, and after our live show, you will, if you like our t-shirt, we will also have chance to get it. You can see it has our logo and also our AOKMAN word. You can see AOKMAN. It's we are the most professional drive solution provider.
So we have prepared many t-shirts to our agent in many countries. They also like this blue color.
So please follow us and get our t-shirt and also our free sample. Yeah, AOKMAN will give you the best support and also give you the we provide the best performance and the stable ROA gearbox and also other different kinds of gearbox.
Yes.
Okay, next I will show you another component of our ROA warm gearbox, the warm gear. As I know, the warm gear will affect the speed ratio of the gearbox. So Linda, do you know, yeah, what kind of warm
warm gear?
yeah,
Yes.
that AOKMAN use?
Yes, you can see there is a warm gear in my hand. This is the standard of AOKMAN warm gear. It's really
Yeah.
heavy.
Because we use the best
Yeah, we use the
material.
yes, we use the most durable material, the tin
Yeah.
bronze material.
Yes.
Yes, so it have the high quality and it have the high efficiency. Actually, most of AOKMAN, most RV warm gearbox in the market uses the aluminum bronze. Aluminum bronze prone to gluing. Gluing will cause the damage of the to smash.
Yes.
So it will affect the working life and damage the warm gear, and you will find your equipment will be affected by the warm gearbox.
Yes, AOKMAN always use the best material, the tin bronze. Yeah. So all this ensure our quality and also the staying performance. Yeah, you know, as I know, the material is the first step of the producing. Yeah, if you don't use the best material, yeah, of course the gearbox performance will not be good. And if you use the best material, it will help our customers to reduce the maintenance time and also the maintenance cost. So, and except for this, are there any other difference between AOKMAN warm gear and other brand warm gear?
Yes, quality is the first important, and the second is the processing is different. Yes, we use the high precision processing, so it can ensure the accuracy, and have the high transmission smoothly, and so it will make the warm gearbox working more smoothly, and it will affect the working efficiency and the longer life. Others in the market, it's use the roof processing. It will shorten the warm gear life.
Yes.
And the third point, we add the chamfer on the warm gear, and so the tooth file is different. Not only the material is different, the quality is different, and the tooth file is also different. You can see this is we add the chamfer. Yes, it will reduce the loud noise, and it will work more slightly. Okay, maybe you will difficult to understand the chamfer. Next, we will show a video for you the difference AOKMAN warm gear to others. Okay.
Why AOKMAN RV is better? AOKMAN warm gear has an evolved tooth profile, which has high transmission efficiency and has been chamfered. The noise during work is low, and the transmission accuracy will be greatly improved. In contrast to other brands, the tooth profile is Archimedes, the transmission efficiency is relatively low, and there is no chamfering processing. The warm wheel is noisy during work. Furthermore, the warm gear and warm shaft are easy to collide, which seriously affects the transmission accuracy. AOKMAN warm gear is made of precision machining, which makes the warm gear more wear-resistant, longer service life, and higher transmission accuracy. Other brands use rough processing, which will accelerate the wear of warm gear and severely shorten its life.
Yeah, okay, thank you for the video and our engineer to show us the transfer process. Yeah, maybe the video is also not very clear. So my friends and my customers, if you have interest of our gearbox, you can visit our factory. Yeah, I will take you to visit our professional process and also our professional machine. It
Yeah.
will let you more clear with AOKMAN process and also our gearbox.
Yes, as the video is more professional, yes, to us. So if you have a chance, welcome to our factory. We will
Yes.
show our warehouse for the different spare parts for the worm gearbox or other different other gearbox to show you. And so don't hesitate to contact with our customer service and leave your message and leave your email or
Yes.
other information. You see, the worm gearbox is free for you. You when you receive it, you can open the structure to check the worm gear or the worm shaft.
Yes.
Yes.
You can get our sample and test our quality and also the performance. Yeah, you will let what's AOKMAN? Why is this AOKMAN?
Yeah, as we mentioned, AOKMAN, most of RVO worm gearbox orders are from the train orders.
order,
Yeah,
yes.
after the train, after the test the samples, they will find AOKMAN's quality is very it's very good. So they will give many orders to us.
Yes, yeah. So please don't hesitate to follow us and don't hesitate to leave your likes, leave your contact information, and get our free sample to test. And okay, yeah. Next, I will show you another component of our AOKMAN RV series, the bearing. Yeah, as I know, the bearing will directly affect the running efficiency and also the performance of the gearbox. So, what brand of bearing does AOKMAN use?
Okay, you can see there is a bearing in my hand. This
Yes.
is we use the famous bearing brand CNU. Liu, do you know the CNU?
Yeah, of course I know. Yeah, it's the most famous bearing brand in China and also in the international.
Yes, the CNU bearing have the high precision degree, so it can ensure the bearing have the longer life and it have the working more slightly, and so it can ensure our worm gearbox working more efficiency and longer life. Others in gearbox in the market use the not famous bearing brand and the low quality. So when they have tested it and they can work, but after a long working they will find loud noise and the strong vibration during the working, so it will affect the equipment working.
Yes, AOKMAN cares about every small details. Yeah, we don't only our gearbox will have a very long work life and also always keeps its very good performance and stable performance. And but Linda, I cannot see the internal structure of the bearing. Why?
Okay. AOKMAN worm shaft use a dual serial bearing. Yes, you can see this is the dual, and another side is also the dual.
Yeah.
It's very beneficial for the worm gearbox as the mentor chips cannot go inside the instructor. Liu, do you know the bearing?
Yes, it's the same bearing.
Yeah, the bearing is outside and inside. So the when the bearing is still dual, so the mentor chips when working, you know, it will case mentor chips.
Yes.
The mentor chips cannot not go inside the structure. So the worm gearbox inside will be protected by the bearing. And the another reason is as this the dual serial bearing, so it can avoid the oil leakage during the working. Use the open structure bearing, the mental chips will go inside the structure as they will damage the bearing ball. Yeah, the bearing ball is inside of the bearing, so it will affect the worm gearbox life. And another reason, they will easy to cause the oil leakage.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, next we will show a video for the difference AOKMAN worm gearbox bearing with others. Okay. Okay, this is AOKMAN bearing with others. This is open structure bearing, like as I mentioned just before. with the details of the bearing.
Yeah, okay, thank you, Linda, for showing us the bearing. Yeah, until now we have shown you the AOKMAN RV series, the important components, the housing, the worm gear, the worm shaft, and also the bearing. Yeah, how all these best components. Yeah, it still needs the assembly process to to let these components together and then finish and then do finish the worm gearbox. So yeah, the next I will show you a video about our assembly process. Yeah, let's see a video. Yeah, you can see this is AOKMAN assembly workshop and also our professional assembly working machine. And this is our assembly workers. They all have a very long time experience in this industry to ensure their mature work. And also you can see they are assembling the boat.
Yes, it's a boat.
Yeah, and also this is they are assembling the input line. And this is test. Yeah,
Test.
Test. Yeah. Yeah, every AOKMAN users will be tested before the delivery.
Yeah.
To ensure the same performance and also the good quality.
Yeah, thanks Liu to show the assemble of our RV worm gearbox. Maybe you will be more familiar to the processing.
Yes, and next I will show you some pictures of our finished products. Yeah. You can see this is our blue color and the small model RV worm gearbox. Yeah, as we know, yeah, the small model is from RV 30 to RV 90.
Yeah.
And we also have the big model. They use the cast iron, the different material. Yeah, for the small model we use aluminum material. And okay, next one. Yeah, this is the standard NMRV. Yeah, they has the input flange and the hollow bar. And the next one, yeah, this is a big model.
Big model, the cast iron housing.
Yeah, and you can in the beside you can see the package. And okay, next one. Yeah, this is our special package. It's the different with the standard package. It's for our VIP customers. So my customer, if you want to get our special package, please contact us and get to know more of AOKMAN. And I'm very happy if we can become the business partners.
Yes, as you can see, the RV worm design is printed on the box, and it shows the AOKMAN logo on it.
Yes, AOKMAN has the best designer capacity, not only for the gearbox and also for the package.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Next one. And in this slide, I will show you some different types of our AOKMAN worm gearbox. You can see for the input, we have the B5 flange, the B14 flange, and also the input solid shaft, and also the square flange. And for the output, we have the standard for the hollow bore, and also the solid shaft, and also many different types. No matter what requirements you have, AOKMAN will try our best to meet you.
Yes. As for the picture, it's not complete. Okay, we will for the this gearbox for the example. You can see this is the B5 flange.
Yeah, B5 flange.
Yes, and it also with the solid shaft, and it also with the this is FA flange, output flange. You can also it's the hollow shaft like this, and also this is
the square flange.
Yes.
It's for the servo motor.
Yes. So if you have any other special requirement, you can contact with our customer service, and we'll give the best solution for you. And Leo, if we want to reach the make the ratio is more bigger, how to reach it?
Yeah, we can use two different RV worm gearbox to connect them, and that we call what we call the DRV.
Yes.
Yeah, to make the ROA gearbox have a bigger ratio.
Yes, as if you want to make the ratio is more bigger, you can contact with RV gearbox connect together by a coupling. Yes.
Yes.
So don't hesitate to ask, and you will be the lucky man to get the free sample. Free sample is it's a wish for you.
Yes, it's waiting for you, and please, so don't hesitate to contact us, and we will give you the best quality gearbox, and also our best support.
Yes, and the T-shirt is also for you. You can see this on my back. It's the
Yes,
best solution provider.
Yes,
Yeah,
AOKMAN is the best drive solution in the market, so don't hesitate to contact with us. And okay, yeah, as I know, the RV1 gearbox is a modular design, so it has very different applications. So Linda, yeah, could you introduce some applications to us?
Okay, as Leo just mentioned, the AOKMAN RV gearbox is the modular design and has the light weight, so it can use the many other many applications in the light industry, such as the conveyor for the industry, mixer, and the packing industry. So okay, next we will show some picture for you the RV gearbox application.
Yes.
Okay. This is the RV gearbox for the food industry, texture, the chemical industry, and the food industry. Okay, next. This is the most RV gearbox for the conveyor. Yes, but for this is for the food industry.
Yeah,
yes.
We already have so different conveyor. You know, we have in the market, you have the heavy industry like the mining, the cement conveyor. It's a very big conveyor.
Yeah.
And also there are some small, there's some light industry like food industry, the packing industry use the small conveyor. Yeah, they use the RV1 gearbox.
Yes, many of distributors will buy the RV gearbox for the stock. They will have many customers will use the RV gearbox. Okay, next. This is also for the conveyor, but it's for the agriculture.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, next. Okay, this is a RV gearbox for the construction.
Yeah, construction, and it's for the crane application.
Yes. Okay, next. Leo, I want to show the RV gearbox application.
Yeah, this is for the car washing machine. Yeah, just these days I have a customer. They buy our RV1 gearbox for their car washing machine. Yeah, I love car, and I'm very happy to have business with my these clients.
Yes. Okay. Thanks our colleagues to show the difference the pictures for the RV gearbox application.
Yeah. Okay. And thank you, Linda, and thank you for your explanation and introduction of our RV1 gearbox. You have us to know so many about AOKMAN company and also our RV1 gearbox. And my friends and customers, I'm very happy to have you guys here and welcome to our AOKMAN live channel. Yeah, long-time partnership is always our company principle.
Yes. Yes, time is limited for you and for me and for you. And you can see there are many other kinds of gearbox in our living room. And thanks for your support. So we can have the 40 years. Yes. So next our colleague Emily and Marcia will show the high precision planetary gearbox. You and welcome to them. Okay.
Yeah,
welcome to Emily and Marcia.
Hello, everybody. I'm Emily from AOKMAN Drive Business Department. Welcome to join our living room.
Hello everyone, this is Marcia from AOKMAN Drive China. Welcome to visit our live room.
Okay, at first, please allow us to make a brief introduction about our company. Just now, our workmate, Ms. Casey, has introduced our company delivery history. So I think you know that we have many type of gearbox, such as inline, helical bevel, cyclical, planetary gearbox, and other heavy industrial gearbox. And also we have with motors.
Yeah, as a leading manufacturer of gearbox with nearly 40 years experience, we have a series of different types of gearbox.
Yes. Okay, Marcia, do you know which type of gearbox is the most potential in the future markets?
Yeah, sorry, I'm not sure.
I can give you 3 answers. You can choose it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, 1, worm type gearbox. 2, helical bevel. 3, high precision gearbox. Which one do you choose?
Let me think about it. I prefer say the high precision planetary gearbox.
Okay, you are so smart. That's correct.
Yeah, really?
Yes.
Yeah, but why? Why is the most potential in the future market?
Okay, let's explain that. I think many customers know that RV worm type gearbox is very popular all over the world, and its application is also worldwide. Just now, if you have seen our RV introduction, I think you know that its application is in food industry, construction, and washing car. But our engineer focused that our high precision gearbox will replace RV worm type gearbox in the future market because this type gearbox with high occurrence and high precision and save energy, eco-friendly, and so on. That's why I think high precision gearbox is most potential in the future market.
Yeah, Emily, I totally agree with you. Yeah. Because it's widely used in different industries, so it becomes more and more popular.
Yeah.
That's why I prefer high precision planetary gearbox.
Yes.
Yeah. I want to know that what's the selling point and advantage compared with other gearbox.
Yes, this type of gearbox has its unique advantage and selling points comparing with other type of gearbox. For example, you can see this type of gearbox. The design is very beautiful and special, and also we know more about the features. It's high precision, high occurrence, and it's also very important low backlash. And it's mainly to reduce the output speed, increase the output torque, and also it can ensure the precise transmission.
Yeah, thank you for detailed introduction of the selling point. It includes the small volume and the high accuracy, high precision, and the low backlash.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the selling point. I want to know the material is the basis of the quality. So what's the material of the high precision planetary gearbox?
Okay, let's see this high precision gearbox sample. Okay, you can see the color is made golden color and black color is very beautiful, and the housing and input flange material is ADC12. That means aluminum alloy die casting, and the inside the gears material is 40 chromium.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I know that. I also like the special, very beautiful colors.
Yes.
And after your introduction, I know that the housing and the flange is ADC12.
Yeah.
And for the inner ring gear is 40 CR.
Yes.
Yeah. By the way, for the inner gear, what's the hardness of it?
Okay. When we talk about the harness, normally we talk about the gears harness. For the surface gears harness is around HRC 58 to 62. It's equal to heavy industrial gearbox. For the inside, the gears hardness is around HRC 33 to 40.
Yeah, very detailed hardness numbers, value numbers. Yeah, to some extent, the hardness is the symbol of durability.
Yes.
Yeah, I know that the high precision planetary gearbox have flexible configurations.
Yes.
So what about its input configuration?
Okay, let's still see this sample of the gearbox. Okay, you can see this side is input part.
Yeah.
For the input configuration, you can see the input flange will contact with motor adapter and is hollow with its key is hollow, and this is the input part.
Yeah, how about the output shaft?
Okay, let's see another side. You can see this side is output configuration. This is output solid shaft, and please note that it's only solid shaft, not hollow. And this detail you can see is key. If you want to choose without key, it's also okay, flexible.
Oh yeah, I remember that for the output, it's only a solid shaft output.
Yes.
Yeah, as we mentioned, it has widely application in different industries. So could you introduce more about the applications?
Okay, for this type of gearbox is mainly application is contact with sub motor, step motor. Normally, it's not equipped with three-phase motor, and the application industry is CNC machine, robots, and technical arm, and other, for example, packing industry and CNC and cutting machine, laser machine, and so on.
Yeah, very detailed application introduction. Yeah, I also noticed that it's widely used in the robotics technical arms and the automatic production line, as you talked just now.
Yes.
Yeah. Up to now, we know some basic knowledge of the gearbox, but it also has some special features.
Yes.
So from the shape, how many types of the gearbox?
Okay, for this type of gearbox, we have when we talk about the types, we will show you some picture. Firstly, is PAB. Okay, let's see some picture. Okay, the first one is PAB inline type. The next one is PABR. This is the same type, right angle. And another one, this one is PPG. Next one. Okay, this is PPG and PPGA. That's just the different design. And the next one is PAD. Next one is PADR. Next one. Okay, you can see this is the gearbox type, including inline and right angle type and different design.
Yeah, exactly speaking, I like all of them because they are in beautiful colors and very special design.
Yes.
Yeah. Next, could you introduce some professional technical data to us, such as the ratio?
Okay, when we talk about the gearbox ratio, we need to separate one-stage gearbox and two-stage gearbox. For the one-stage gearbox, the ratio range is from 3 to 10. And for the two-stage gearbox, the ratio range is from 12 to 100. So you can see the ratio range is very wide.
Yeah, exactly. It has a wide ratio range.
Yes.
Yeah, for high precision planetary gearbox, it also have a special features that other gearbox not have. That is the backlash.
Yes.
So could you give me some professional introduction about the backlash?
Okay, the important technical data is backlash. And for this type of gearbox, the special features is about backlash. For the one-stage gearbox, the backlash is less than 3. It's very, very small. And for the two-stage gearbox, the backlash is less than 10. So you can see the backlash is very small. Please note that different ratio and different model number, the backlash is also different. So if you want to know the exact backlash, please tell us your exact demands.
Yeah. Thank you, Emily, for the professional introduction about the backlash. Yeah, as we know that the customer pay more attention to its efficiency. So, tell me more about efficiency, please.
Okay, for the one-stage gearbox, the efficiency is up to 97%. For the two-stage gearbox, the efficiency is up to 94%. So comparing with other type gearbox, you will find the efficiency is also very high.
Yeah, we know that no matter one stage or two stages, they both have high efficiency. Yeah, if based on precision, then how many types of gearbox?
Okay, how many types?
Yeah.
You mean the precision?
Yeah,
Yes.
precision. Yeah.
Okay, for this type of gearbox, there are three type precision: super precision, and high precision, and standard precision, including three precision.
Yeah. Very detailed introduction. Yeah, and we know that it has a small volume. So I wanted to know what's the weight of it.
Okay, as you see, the gearbox is very small. The volume is very small, so we can imagine that the weight is also very small.
Yeah.
And for the smallest model number, the weight is around 1 kilogram, lighter than W.
Yeah.
For the biggest model number, the weight is around 60 kilogram. If you want to know the exact dimensions and exact weight of each model number, so you can contact with us right now. If you leave a message and tell us your exact demands and tell us your email, tell us your WhatsApp number, maybe you can get a free sample today. It's a surprise.
Yeah. Well, except that you are the lucky man. Yeah. Up to now, we have known the gearbox, the material, the hardness, configuration. Also, we know some technical data such as the ratio, the backlash, and the efficiency. Yeah. But important that how to select the most suitable gearbox model for customer.
Okay, if we need to select the gearbox model number, at first we must confirm what type do you need. Inline or right angle. Just now you have know that we have inline and right angle type. And mostly it depends on your equipment installation space. After confirm what type you need, then we need to know output speed, output torque, and rated power. Of course, except the servo motor. With enough technical data, then we can choose the suitable model number for you.
Yeah, exactly. When customer send us all the information, then it will be best for us to send the quotation directly. Yeah, but in reality, customer can't know the detailed information about the motor technical data. Then what shall we do at this condition?
Okay, if the customer can't confirm the exact technical data, and please try to find the motor drawing or motor dimensions. As just now we have told you, the input flange of the reducer will contact with motor adapter. So we must know the motor flange exact dimensions. They must be matched together. I think you understand it.
Yeah, that's very important. That dear friend and customer, if you didn't tell us, if you didn't know the motor technical data, please inform us the motor flange size.
Yes.
That is very important because it's connected with the gearbox flange size.
Yes.
Yeah. And by the way, in some conditions, some customers don't mention the accuracy standard. In this condition, we usually choose our AOKMAN accuracy standard.
Yes.
Except this, anything else we need to pay attention to?
Okay, don't forget to advise the ratio and the quantity and the exact application. And one more we want to remind, if you are using this type gearbox, please send us the nameplate of currently using the reducer, because we also can find some important parameters through the nameplate. After confirm the correct parameters and taking data, then we can choose the suitable model number for you, and also we can get you the correct quotation. Please note that the more details and the more current model number.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I also like the nameplate. I think it's a good thing for us to fasten our quotation process.
Yeah.
Because the information including the model numbers, the power, and also the output speed.
Yes.
Yeah. So we know that the more information we have and the exact our price is.
Yes.
Yeah, dear friends and dear customers, yeah, up to now we have now some basic knowledge of gearbox, and we know how to select the most suitable gearbox models for customer.
Yes.
So yeah, warmly welcome you to follow us, to contact us, or send your inquiry to us. Yeah, if you place orders in our live room, you will have a chance to get a big gift. Yeah, free samples.
Wow,
Yeah.
so big surprise. So action right now, please leave a message and tell us your email address and WhatsApp number, and you can get our free sample. So action right now.
Yeah, okay. Welcome. I hope you are the lucky one. So Emily, the customer just asked that. Yeah, what's the transmission structure about our gearbox?
Okay, for this type of gearbox, the transmission structure including one sun gears, one inner ring gears, and one planter gears. And with this structure, you can get the special features such as stable operation and strong resistance to the strong vibration and strong impact. And also, you can get the big ratio with the small volume. And
Yeah.
you can see our picture. It's the gears structure inside.
Yeah, very detailed. Okay, dear friends and dear customers, we hope that our introduction will answer your question. Yeah, that includes the sun gear, the planetary gear, and
Yeah.
also the inner ring gear.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, next, I wanted to know how long about our delivery time?
Okay, it's a good question. I think you know that our production capacity increased 50% than before, and we have sufficient spare parts inventory, and so we can give you the very short delivery time. It's around 20 days, and we have enough spare parts, and we have a new warehouse, so you don't worry about our stock.
Yeah, I know that only 20 days, and the 20 days is based on our strong production capacity, our sufficient spare parts,
Yes.
yeah, also our warehouse.
Yes.
You know that our parts are exported to the countries all over the world. So no matter air shipment or sea shipment, they will get through a long distance transportations. Then how about our package to guarantee the long distance transportations?
Yes, for the package is also very important because we have long transportation.
Yeah.
And you can see the picture at first. For this type of gearbox, we inside we directly use plastic to protect the gearbox. It's a very good seal. And the outside we will use a cotton box. Okay, you can see next picture. Next picture is outside package. You can see it's very clear as a special design for high precision planter gearbox. By the way, if for the big model number, we will use a wooden case to protect the gearbox outside again.
Yeah, thank you for the video. Yeah, it's very detailed package introduction. So it's one by one and layer by layer. It's
Yes.
a very sturdy package.
Yeah.
Then how about our installations?
Okay, before installation, we must to check the reducer and the motors and guarantee they are in good condition, and check the size of each spare parts and are matched, and also to confirm the dimensions and matching the motor's position transmission and motors, input shafts, and reducers groove.
Okay, dear friends, if you find any question and need any help during installations, please feel free to contact us. Yeah, we will serve for you. Yeah, as always.
Yes.
Yeah, as we mentioned before, AOKMAN products are also produced as per international standard. So we have got many international license or certificate. So could you tell me which certificate we have and how many countries they exported to?
Okay, for this type of gearbox, we have passed ISO 9001 CE UL, and we have exported this type of gearbox to American, UK, Peru, Dominica, and Brazil, and also other Southern American countries. Many customers use this type of gearbox in CNC machine and robots and laser machine, cutting machine, and other and so on. Our gearbox are working well in their equipment.
Okay, dear friends, please follow me. Yeah, I will share with you our high precision planetary gearbox video, also including its applications. Okay, let's watch it together.
Okay, let's see some video. This is the PAB in line type. It's hot selling in market. Okay, this is application video. The gearbox working well in customers' equipment, so they would like to send some video to us. Okay, another video. You can see the package.
Yeah, okay, thank you for the radio. Yeah, I hope after seeing the radio, you will know more about AOKMAN, know more about our high precision planetary gearbox.
Yes.
Yeah, the next question is some customer will worry about our warranty. So, could you tell me about the AOKMAN warranty?
Okay, according to the international standards, the warranty is only 1 year. I think many people know that. But we trust our gearbox, we trust our quality. I also hope you can trust it. So we can give you 1.5 year warranty. Moreover, lifetime maintenance is also free. And also, we are always online standby for you. Don't worry about the time difference. If you have any question, please contact with us anytime.
Yeah, dear friends, you know that international standard is 1 year, but AOKMAN can give 1.5 year.
Yes.
So you can always trust AOKMAN.
Yes. Okay. Let's see some another details. It's about
our inspection.
Yes,
Yeah.
It's also very important. I think you know the technical process must be controlled, such as gear spooling, hobbing, and grounding, and all will be tested, especially the precision. Just now we have told you, the gearbox precision is very high. We must grant the precision, so it will be tested again when we finish the gears. And for the spare parts, any spare parts will be inspected before using in our gearbox. After finish the gearbox, we will test the gearbox running one by one. Any unqualified gearbox are not allowed delivered from our factory. We must ensure the gearbox for you.
Yeah, AOKMAN think highly our quality, so we have strict control of inspection. So our inspection including the raw material inspection and in the process of production inspection.
Yes.
Also the final inspection before delivery.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you can see we will protect the gearbox step by step. You don't worry about the gearbox quality.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I also want to say something about our quality. As we know, AOKMAN is a leading manufacturer of gearbox with nearly 40 years experience. So we have a series of different types of gearbox. So we know that the quality is the life of the enterprise. Yeah, we provide the customer not only the best competitive price, not only the best excellent service, but also the high quality products. Yeah, because it will help us to customer to open the market and to win the market. Also to expand the market share.
Yes, we are more excited to talk with about you.
Because we are so proud of our products.
Yes, but because the time is limited, we have to say goodbye to you. Okay, we will make a summary about our today's content. Today we introduce the high precision planetary gearbox. Please note the high precision gearbox. And we mentioned the gearbox input flange, output solid shafts, and for the gears harness and gears the outside the material. And also we have to do the selection method and the delivery time, and also our certification and our application and our customers' application and so on. If you also want to know other information and to know more details, so please contact with us right now. If you leave a message to us and tell us your WhatsApp number, tell us your email address, maybe you can get one free sample.
Yeah, we hope you are the lucky one.
Okay,
dear friends and dear customers, thank you for taking time to watching AOKMAN High Precision Planetary Gearbox live show. Also, thank you, Emily, for your great job and for your introduction, professional introduction, about High Precision Planetary Gearbox. Okay, please remember Emily and Marcia.
Yes.
Don't leave the next live show from our colleague Elsa and Anna, that they will introduce our hot selling gearbox. Welcome.
Okay, welcome them.
Welcome.
Hello everyone, welcome to AOKMAN live show. This is Anna.
Hello everyone, I'm Elsa. Welcome to our live showroom. The following time will belong me and my partner Anna. Okay, Anna, please.
Yes, okay. For 40 years, AOKMAN has been supplying power transmission solutions and equipments to various industries around the world, and we also have continuously strived to keep improving our quality control standard from automated facilities, more experienced workers, and technology innovations. And also, AOKMAN is proud to present you most popular products, such as this R-Series inline helical gearbox, K-Series helical bevel gearbox, F-Series parallel shaft gearbox, and S-Series helical worm gearbox with compact structure, modular design, long service life, one stage, two stage, three stage size, high reduction ratio and torque density, low energy consumption, and superior performance.
Yes, that sounds great, Anna. You
Yes.
know, till now, the level showroom have a lot of the friends, whatever the new friends and older friends, and from the Casey and Kurt introduced about our company details till now.
Yes.
And our service person have received a lot of the
Inquiries.
message and inquiries, and also have friends want to be our agent. It's
Wow, great.
our plan.
Yes, yes.
And so there are many new friends and older friends who come to in our level showroom. I want to take this opportunity to help them better understand of our AOKMAN 4 series gearbox.
Okay.
So I have prepared some questions. Hopefully we can answer clearly together, help them better understand.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, the first question. What's the material of the housing and gear for the AOKMAN 4 series gearbox? And why AOKMAN use this type of material?
Okay, this is a very good question, and also I believe in our live showroom, a lot of customers also want to know about these details. We use high rigid casting iron housing and the rigid gear tooth to adopt high quality alloy steel with harborizing and quenching treatment, and also is refined by grinding to give gearbox a smooth drive in a low noise, and to have to improve the load capacity to have a long service life.
Oh, that's great. It can be seen that AOKMAN pays attention to the quality of the products.
Yes, yes.
And also responsible for the customer sense of use.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Next question. How about the motor power range to connect with AOKMAN 4 series gearbox?
Okay, for this R series, the motor power range is from 0.18 to 160, and for this K series and this F series, it's from 0.18 to 200 kilowatts. The power range is very wide, so this type of the gearbox can be used in light industry and heavy industry. Later, we will show you some application pictures and videos to help you to know it clearly. And for this S series, it's from 0.18 to 22 kilowatts.
Okay, Anna.
Yes.
I think this is also good, and it also can help customer according to the different application to choose the suitable model size.
Yes, you are right.
Okay, that's great. And next question.
Okay, please.
How about the motor? How about the speed ratio for the AOKMAN 4 series gearbox? Can you introduce?
Okay, no problem. For the ratio, actually also is the range also is very wide. You can see like this R series is from 1.3 to 289.6, and for this F series, it's from 3.81 to 281.71, and for this K series, it's from 5.36 to 197.27, and for this S series, it's from 6.36 to 292.5. Actually, the ratio just now I mentioned is very wide, so this can meet the different requires to the different working conditions.
Okay, Anna.
Yes.
As far as we know, the speed ratio of the gearbox is an important technical data.
Yes.
That we need confirmed by the customer before we recommended a suitable model size.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So maybe also have the another technical data needed we confirmed by the customer.
Yes.
Okay.
You are right.
Let
Which
us
one?
let us continue.
Okay.
Can you introduce how about the torque for the AOKMAN 4 series gearbox?
Okay. For the torque, it can achieve high drive torque up to 50,000 Nm, except this S series. So for this kind of the torque, which can reduce the operating cost for customers.
Okay, so according to the customer different requirements, different applications, so also have the different required of the Tokyo.
Yes.
So this technical data of the Tokyo also need we confirmed with by the customer. Also we also need as combined with the reference.
Yes, you are right.
Okay.
Actually, this we can confirm with the customer, and also we can, based on customers' specification that they provided to us. Actually, we also can calculate.
Okay, that's
Yes.
great. Very thanks, Anna. And we hope the friends in our level showroom, if you are interested in about our AOKMAN first series gearbox, and please follow us and leave your contact information, and don't miss this opportunity, and listen our introduction carefully. You will get more important information, and you also have the chance to get our free sample, but you need to leave your contact information such as WhatsApp number,
Yes.
WeChat account, email
Skype.
email address or Skype. And so our service person will answer you in time and give you this opportunity. Maybe you will be our lucky person.
Yes, yes.
And Anna?
Yes.
Another question.
Okay.
What are the main type of the input for the R series inline helical gearbox? Can you introduce?
Okay, for this R series, the input can be like this sample. You can see this is the IEC flange, and also can be the input hollow solid shaft, or directly connected with the motor. Because actually for this IEC flange, it's easy to change the gearbox or motors by the customer. And for the solid input shaft, can be connected with the motor via the belt or coupling. But directly connected with the motor is the most popular and the most sellable type, because it can save the space and the cost for customers.
Okay, and how about the main type of the output for the R series inline helical gearbox?
Okay, for the output, you can see like this sample, the input, the output, solid output shaft, and also can be the output flange. Actually, today we would like to mainly introduce our new R series inline helical gearbox.
New R series gearbox.
Yes.
So you mentioned this new R is our AOKMAN named RNF9 series inline helical gearbox.
Yes, you are right.
Okay, please.
Okay, actually this new R series with the flexible output flange. You can see this is the flexible output flange. This is very easy for customer to handle it, and also it's very easy to load and remove from the gearbox. And also this our new R series inline helical gearbox has the same dimensions as SEW, and also has the same design as CT, with flexible mounting position and flexible design. And also if you want to have the stock selling, it is a very good and wisdom choice, because can save the stock, and finally will save the cost for customers.
Yes, this is the new type of the flange can be disassembled, so also flexibly. So this new type of the gearbox can adapt to the different installation ways, and most importantly, it can save the cost of customer.
Yes.
And this new type also very popular in the market. So we also hope if customer have such requirements, please follow us and leave your requirements to our service person. You will get our person answer in time, and after we end off this show, we will also give you best driver solution in time.
Yes.
And don't miss this opportunity. You also will get our AOKMAN prepared free sample to test. Okay, Anna.
Okay.
Just we talk about the R series inline helical gearbox of the input and output type. So can you introduce the friends? What are the main type of the input for K series inline? K series helical bevel gearbox.
Okay, for this K series, actually is Also the same as this R series. It can be the IEC flange, the inside the input solid shaft, or directly connected with the motor. Also 3 types.
And how about the output type for the K-series helical
Okay,
bible?
the output can be like this sample, the solid input, solid output shaft, with the output flange. Actually, the output flange has different size, can meet customer different request, and also can be the solid hollow output shaft. Actually, for hollow output shaft, it can be the has different options. Can be the with the torque arm, splint hollow shaft, shrink disc.
Okay, Anna.
Yes.
Now I want you to introduce the friends in our level showroom. And how about the mounting position for our R-series inline helical gearbox?
Okay, for this output, for the mounting position, you can see this sample, this foot mounted or flange mounted. 2 types.
Okay, foot and flange.
Yes.
Okay, and how about the mounting position for the K-series helical bible gearbox?
Okay, for the K series, you can see like this sample, foot mounted, second one, flange mounted, third one is shaft mounted.
Okay, so we need confirmed with the customer before production for them, right?
Yes,
right?
you're right.
Okay, so we need confirm better and know which
Mounting position.
Yes, which one they need.
Yes, you are right.
Okay, that's great.
Yes.
And Anna,
Yes.
we know that AOKMAN's 4 series of the gearbox with the advantage of the modular design. So now please listen carefully.
Okay.
I want you introduce the friends. Which types of gearbox can be combined with the R series inline helical gearbox?
Okay, this R series can be combined with the R series and the UD series speed variator.
Okay, and which types of gearbox can be combined with the K-series helical bible gearbox?
Okay, the K series, F series, and S series can be combined with the R series and the UD series speed variator. Actually, for this kind of combination, the ratio will become bigger because the ratio is equal to 1 gearbox ratio times another gearbox ratio, because maybe for some application need such of the ratio.
Okay, that's great. So we hope the friends you can listen our introduction carefully, and you will get more and more information about our AOKMAN 4 series gearbox. If you have the requirements of this, and you can leave the message to our contact information, contact person, and give your details, requirements such as we mentioned, speed ratio, torque, and you need mounting position types,
yes.
and other other details. Also tell us the application is better.
Yes,
and
yes.
Then we will give you best driver solution. Okay, Anna.
Yes.
Just now we have talked about the 4 series gearbox details. Now, I want you to introduce the what are the main colors for the AOKMAN 4 series gearbox.
Actually, the standard color is blue and gray. And also, actually, we can customize the color based on customers' request. And we will show you the picture of our products. You can see this is the R series finished products. And the next one. Actually, just now I forgot to introduce this our
New
type R series inline helical gearbox certificate. This is the certificate we got.
Yes.
Yes.
Next one. You can see this our R series gear unit with the blue color. Next.
Yes.
This our F series gear unit also with the blue color. Next. Our S series gear unit. Next. This our K series gear unit.
This is the S series.
Yeah, S series gear unit.
Yes.
Also with blue color. And Anna, which color do you like?
I like blue color. How about you?
I prefer the both one because I think each one have its own advantage.
Yes,
Maybe
yes.
customer also have the different requirements of the colors.
Yes, yes, you are
so
right.
also can leave message to our service person. We will according to your requirements to provide the best driver solution.
Yes, yes.
Okay, Anna. Now you need to introduce about the package ways and how about the package ways of the AOKMAN 4 series gearbox.
Okay, we do standard and more safe package. Try to avoid any breakage or damage during the transportation. And we will show you our package wooden box. You can see the picture.
Okay, from this picture, you can see this our R-series inline helical gearbox put into the standard export wooden case. And you can rest assured this wooden case with the best quality. And safe delay of the goods can be guaranteed during the transportation. So customer don't worry your goods have any damage during the transportation.
Yes.
Okay. Anna?
Yes.
We have talked about details of the gearbox, and now I also want you to introduce what main process during production to ensure the AOKMAN gearbox and motor to running smoothly.
Okay. Actually, this is also a very good question because this details is related to the quality. Because actually all the bearing, gears and other parts must be tested in the middle of production and also 100% tested for every finished products. Try to avoid any in order to guarantee the reliable quality and smooth running work for end users.
Yeah, so the factory testing is very important.
Strict.
Strict factory testing
Yes.
is very important for the customer, also for our AOKMAN,
Yes.
because we need a response for customers' sense of use.
Yes.
Okay. Anna,
Yes.
what are the main applications for the AOKMAN 4 series gearbox? Can you introduce?
Okay, this 4 series application range is very wide, such as the packaging, food industry, mechanical, chemical, mining, cement, sugar mill, environmental protection, and other fields. Later, we will show you some application pictures and videos to help you to know what are the applications exactly.
Yeah, very well. Maybe the friends in our level showroom were also very looking forward.
Yes.
So please listen our introduction carefully. You will get more and more information, and to help you get your suitable model size used for your application. AOKMAN R-series gear unit with a long history and full experience on the food industry. So next I will show you a detailed picture to help you better understand. And from this picture, you can see this our gear unit used for the customer working machine. And this working machine is named the floor mill.
Floor mill, right?
Yeah. Anna, I also mentioned to you, this customer is our company, the first big customer on the food industry, and from Nigeria. And till now, we still have the good relationship. Yes, and because our gear unit used for their application is very well. And last time I show you, a customer give me feedback. So I'm very happy.
Very happy.
Yeah, and also proud of our
products.
Yes, products. So, dear friends, if you have such requirements, call us. We will give you best driver solution on the different application. So trust us, we will give you best driver solution. and leave your contact information to us. You will have the chance to get our AOKMAN prepared free sample, and you can get the free sample to test to get our AOKMAN products quality. And we hope we can have a good good business relationship in the future. And Anna,
Yes.
In the following time, you will show the
Yeah, the-
details picture.
Yes, because actually, except this R-series application, and actually for the belt conveyor, K-series is the most popular against any other type. Okay, we will show you the application pictures and the products. This is the finished K-series helical bevel gearbox. Next one. This is also finished products are ready to ship. And this is the K-series applied on conveyor. And this is also the K-series applied on conveyor. Yeah.
In the following time, we will show you more application picture. Let you understand our AOKMAN gearbox application range. And from this picture, you can see this our R-series gear unit used for the sugar mill. Next. This are also our R-series gear unit used for the packing machine. And this our K-series gear unit used for the conveyor. Also K-series gear unit used for the customer's crane machine. Next. And this also our K-series gear unit used for the food machine. And at the same time, we also prepared the detailed video about AOKMAN 4 series gearbox. Please refer.
This is the RF and T series. R series finished products. F series finished products. And this is K series. And this is for different options for mounting positions and output types. And this is for detection. This is the housing lane, production lane, the finished products with blue color. Actually, we also mentioned just now we have green color, and we also can customize the color based on customer request. And this is the application on different industries. This is the packaging. Okay. Actually, from the introduction of our colleagues and our 4 series, and I believe you will know it much better about our quality control, packaging, design, and so on. Actually, we pay more attention to all the details because we know the quality is the most important details for our customers, and also is very important for us. And actually, we don't do one-time business with our customers. We are committed to winning a partner rather than a simple supplier. Make a great deal. Always consult AOKMAN professionals. We assure you the utmost reliability and security, both on products and services.
Yeah.
We are AOKMAN, your drive solution provider. Okay, we went through this 4 series, high precision gearbox, ATA series shaft mounted gearbox, and RV series worm gearbox for today. Okay, see you.
See you.
AOKMAN, a leader in the manufacturing of special industrial gear units and standard gear motor. The factory was founded in 1982. 800,000 square meters of surface. Production made of more than 2,000 experienced workers.